I have started with flying model aircrafts. I wanted actually to have, as a kid, always a model helicopter to fly. And I wanted to build actually my own vehicle which was able to hover. So I built a little prototype and it horribly failed, which I learned a lot from afterwards. Then I started actually to study aerospace engineering and worked in the field of research and development of drones. And I did even my PhD in that field. I put a blog post up on my personal blog, and some other blogs picked up on that, and from that it went really viral. So I got 10,000 hits, which is, at least in that field where it's very specialized, a big thing, and that encouraged me actually to make a company out of that. Yeah, the flight mechanics is pretty much the same as in a rocket. So it's pretty much electric Elon Musk rocket. We have developed multiple prototypes and they're pretty robust now. We have the generic system. Now we're looking actually for the specific application. So we're just starting now to get in contact with first responders and military. The drone is perfectly fitted for instant deployment without having anybody to be dedicated to that drone. Where the military gets in a difficult situation, they can then send the drone and get a situational awareness. They don't have to leave the vehicle and in a protected environment, so it's actually meant to save lives. Yeah, the tube is mounted on the back of a vehicle like this, and it's constantly kept charged 24/7 on standby, and whenever they need it, they can deploy it. Firefighters can even mark on the map before they even arrive, and the drone gets then automatically around that building. You're leaving literally the vehicle and you have already a situational awareness without having somebody putting a battery into the drone or assemble it or even mounting propellers. I have covered pretty much all the fields of robots, little driving robots to get in rescue scenarios, as well as flying robots and research for autonomous boats. But our next steps is really to focus on those military applications, but similar applications for search and rescue where you want to cover a really big area with a swarm of those types of drones. But it does definitely improve the lives of other people. It is meant really literally for first responders, which have a really hard job, and to make their job easier and less dangerous. If we can just save one life, that's for me worth.